So these switches, I will show you what they are. Let's take off one of these keycaps and take one of the switches out. I'll show you real quick what these are. Let me show you on the microscope. It'll be much easier to see. Whoops. Okay. I'll show you what we have here. It is a Greetech housing plate mount. Just back this up a little bit. It's a plate mount Greetech housing. You can see, and it is the SMD LED version. And the thing I like about this version is this leg here of this pin here of the switch is in there tighter somehow, so the leaf doesn't accidentally fall out so easy when you're modding these. So these have actually Gateron tops from Aliaz switches, and they also have the stem from an Aliaz switch. So they have a kind of a mild tactile bump, but that mild bump has been made a little bit more intense by the fact that this is a Greetech blue housing, and so the leaf pressure is a little bit higher. So this housing makes the Aliaz stem a little bit more tactile. Now I had to use the Aliaz tops, not the Greetech tops, because the Greetech tops on some of the Aliaz stems fit too tightly and it caused binding. So this switch feels really smooth, a little bit tactile. It's been lubed with Tribosys 3204, and I think it feels pretty good, I would say. I'm happy with it. I think it feels really nice, actually. Capture, there we go. Yep, this is it.